the Snowflake Lake. Did I say that right? Snowflake Lake? I think I did. Good morning, everyone. Well, it's not morning right now. Let me show you the time. It is 2:10 in the afternoon, and I'm just now opening a vlog. That's because the vlog is just like the life vlog you saw before this, where we went to Kings Dominion's Winterfest with Ace. That's American Coaster Enthusiasts. They're coasting through the snow event. So that was a couple weeks ago. That was 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks and 2 days ago. And it's Monday, and once again, I like to film vlogs for some reason, to the point where they come out on Saturday, and I have all week to edit them, which is good because then I make good edits. So yeah, just so you guys know, little channel update. Only videos are on Saturday, and of course, the video before this one was the Charlie Brown Christmas Spectacular. I wanted to do Christmas Day Special, and then I realized I don't have a video for Saturday, so there was no video. But I'll try and do that. Sometimes there'll be some specials. Today I'm probably going to record a show or two, depending on how many I do. So yeah, we're going to stay till around 8. Park opens at 4. We might ice skate. That's not confirmed if we are going to or not. But we might. So I'm going to get some nice shots for everyone today. Like video shots. I'll see you guys when we get to Kings Dominion. Oh yeah, and by the way, follow me on Instagram at cruise.travel.life. You can see an Instagram version of these vlogs. Yeah, usually most of these vlogs, I have an Instagram version of it. I have an Instagram version of these vlogs, so check that out. Usually they're in a highlight bubble. So I have one from the coast into the snow. So yeah, I'm going to do Instagram stuff, and I'll see you guys on the way to Kings Dominion, or when I get to Kings Dominion, depending on next time I film. Who knows when I film next time. Bye. Yeah. Okay, we are in the car on the way to Kings Dominion. We're like 5 minutes away. 10 minutes away. I'm getting hand signals from the front. So we're going to do ice skating like as soon as we get in there, because ice skating starts at 4 and the local time is... I'm not good at doing this. 3:44. I'm showing them and blurry. Focus camera. Not focus. Okay, it's focused. So yeah, we're gonna do ice skating for a bit, and yeah, I won't have anything because I can't have any cameras. Should have brought my GoPro and my head mount. That's what I should have done. Stuff for next year. Trying to do that while there's no line, but we were going to do the 4 o'clock Snowflake Lake, but it's because it's like 70 degrees outside. There's water on the ice, so they said come back around 5:30 and check and see if they're doing the 6. They're pretty sure they'll do the 8, but we'll be gone at 8, so we might not be able to do that today. But I'll keep you guys updated. But we're going to 12 days of Christmas right now. timestamp. 5:04, focus on me. Oh, that was quick. And in 30 minutes, we're gonna go check and see if they're doing the ice skating for 6. Very rude music, but I gotta get this off because of copyright reasons. So we'll get you some B-roll.
Sally, it's Christmas, and I got you a present.
What is it?
A calendar.
Aw, I love it. Down the days of year. Christmas is almost here.
Back there is a Peanuts Guide to Christmas. It just finished. Got some video. Thanks, Santa Snoopy. So it just finished, and so I got some clips, and I'll maybe record it next year, or if I come on New Year's Day. So see you guys at the next clip. Okay, we're headed up to Snowflake Lake. Did I say that right? Snowflake Lake? I think I did. To do some ice skating from 6 to 7:30. And my friends and mom and friend's sister are giving me weird looks, so I'm gonna stop. See you guys after I ice skate. Okay, we just finished ice skating. That was so much fun. I want to do it next year. Again, maybe a couple times. So it was so much fun. We stayed for around an hour. We got in around 6:15, got out around 7:15. It's 7:24 now. We're gonna go watch Tinker's Toy Factory. That starts at 7:30. We're gonna try and get good seats so I can record. So that video will be next week's video. I got dark very quickly. That's gonna be next week's video, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe so you see that. And I will see you guys after we do Tinker's Toy Factory. I think that's what it's called. I'll confirm, so you'll see it in the video. So we got seats, good seats at the Tinker's Toy Factory show. Let me stay tuned for the video of this show. Ending my day like I did last time I was here in front of this, except the last one was over there. It was on the other side. Wow. So it was a great day, and I got backlit. We're heading out. Oh gosh, lighting's terrible. Let me do this. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.